Hello everyone, welcome to PVKK Campus Radio. This is RJ Vedapriya from 2nd DC. Today I am going to speak and share a few things about artificial intelligence. Firstly, what is artificial intelligence? 10 years ago, if you mentioned the term artificial intelligence in a boardroom, there is a good chance you would have been laughed at. For most people, it would bring a mindset, scientist, sci-fi, machines such as 2001 A Space Odyssey's HAL or Star Trek's data. Today it is one of the hottest buzzwords in business and industry. Artificial intelligence technology is a crucial linchpin of much of the digital transformation taking place today as organizations position themselves to capitalize on the ever-growing amount of data being generated and collected. So, how has this change come about? Well, partly it is due to big data revolution itself. The glut of data has led to intensified research into ways it can be processed, analyzed and acted upon. Machines being far better suited to humans than this work, the focus was on training machines to do this in a smart way, a way it is possible. This increased interest in research in the field, in academia, industry and among the open source community, which sits in the middle, has led to breakthroughs and advances that are showing their potential to generate tremendous change. From healthcare to self-driving cars to predicting the outcome of legal cases, no one is laughing now. What is artificial intelligence? Let us go into depth about it. The concept of what defines artificial intelligence has changed over time, but at the core, there has always been the idea of building machines which are capable of thinking like humans. After all, human beings have proven uniquely capable of interpreting the world around us and using the information we pick up to effect change. If you want to build machines to help us do this more efficiently, then it makes sense to use ourselves as a blueprint. Artificial intelligence then can be thought of as simulating the capacity for abstract, creative, deductive thought and particularly the ability to learn using the digital binary logic of computers. Research and development work in artificial intelligence is split between two branches. One is labeled applied artificial intelligence, which uses these principles of simulating human thought to carry out one specific task. The other is known as generalized artificial intelligence, which seeks to develop machine intelligences that can turn their hands to any task much like a person. Research into applied specialized artificial intelligence is already providing breakthroughs in fields of study from quantum physics, where it is used to model and predict the behavior of systems comprised of billions of subatomic particles, to medicine, where it being used to diagnose patients based on genomic data. In industry, it is employed in the financial world for uses ranging from fraud detection to improving customer service by predicting what service customers will need. In manufacturing, it is used to manage workforces and production processes as well as for predicting faults before they occur, therefore enabling predictive maintenance. In the consumer world, more and more of the technology we are adopting into our everyday lives is becoming powered by artificial intelligence. From smartphone assistants like Apple's Siri and Google's Google Assistant to self-driving and autonomous cars, which many are predicting will outnumber manually driven cars within our lifetimes. Generalized artificial intelligence is a bit further off to carry out a simple, complete simulation of the human brain would require both a more complete understanding of the organ that we currently have and more computing power than is commonly available to researchers. But that may not be the case for long, given the speed with which computer technology is evolving. A new generation of computer chip technology known as neuromorphic processors are being designed to more efficiently run brain simulator code, and systems such as IBM's Watson cognitive computing platform use high-level simulations of human neurological processes to carry out an ever-growing range of tasks without being specially taught how to do them. What are the key developments in artificial intelligence? All of these advances have been made possible due to the focus on imitating human thought processes. The field of research which has been most fruitful in recent years is what has become known as machine learning. In fact, it's become so integral to contemporary artificial intelligence that the terms artificial intelligence and machine learning are sometimes used interchangeably. However, this is an imprecise use of language, and the best way to think of it is that machine learning represents the current state of the art in the wider field of artificial intelligence. The foundation of machine learning is that rather than have to be taught to do everything step by step, machines, if they can be programmed to think like us, can learn to work by observing, classifying, and learning from its mistakes just like we do. The applications of neuroscience to IT system architecture has led to the development of artificial neural networks, and although work in this field has evolved over the last half century, it is only recently that computers with adequate power have been available to make the task a day-to-day reality for anyone except those with access to the most expensive specialized tools. Perhaps the single biggest enabling factor has been the explosion of data which has been unleashed since mainstream society merged itself with the digital world. This availability of data from things we share on social media to machine data organized by connected industrial machinery means computers now have a universe of information available to them to help them learn more efficiently and make better decisions. And next move on to about what is the future of artificial intelligence. That depends on who you ask, and the answer will vary wildly. Real fears that development of intelligence which equals or exceeds our own but has the capacity to work at far higher speeds could have negative implications for the future of humanity have been voiced, and not just by apocalyptic sci-fi such as The Matrix or The Terminator, but respected scientists like Stephen Hawking. Even if robots don't eradicate us to turn us into living batteries, a less dramatic but still nightmarish scenario is that automation of labor, mental as well as physical, will lead to profound societal change, perhaps for the worse. This understandable concern has led to the foundation last year by a number of tech giants including Google, IBM, Microsoft, Facebook, and Amazon of the partnerships in artificial intelligence. This group will research and advocate for ethical implementations of artificial intelligence and to set guidelines for future research and development of robots and artificial intelligence. And this is about the artificial intelligence. Now let us know about what is the importance of artificial intelligence. It might be easier to state what part of our modern society artificial intelligence has not touched to show how important it is to our daily lives, business operations, and society. Intelligence machines are influencing nearly every facet of our lives to improve health, efficiency, and augmented our human capabilities. Artificial intelligence is so intertwined in all that we do. It's hard to imagine living life without it. Artificial intelligence is a central tenet for the disruptive changes of the fourth industrial revolution, a revolution that will likely challenge our ideas about what it means to be a human and just might be more transformative than any other industrial revolution we have seen yet. Put simply, artificial intelligence is when machines can learn and make decisions similarly to humans. There are many types of artificial intelligence, including machine learning, where instead of being programmed what to think, machines can observe, analyze, and learn from data and mistakes just like our human brains can. This technology is influencing consumer products and has led to significant breakthroughs in healthcare and physics as well as altered industries as diverse as manufacturing, finance, and retail, in part due to the tremendous amount of data we generate every day and the computing power available. Artificial intelligence has exploded in recent years. We might still be years away from generalized artificial intelligence when a machine can do anything a human brain can do. But artificial intelligence in its current form is still an essential part of our world. Everyday influences of artificial intelligence. Many everyday influences of artificial intelligence are altering the way our daily lives look. If someone from the 1950s traveled throughout the time and arrived in 2019, they would marvel at the way we use our smartphones to navigate around town. How virtual digital assistants such as Alexa and Cortana respond to our queries and would be baffled by our addiction to social media channels such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. What is now normal to us and powered by artificial intelligence? Would you utterly foreign to our friend from the past? There is no doubt that artificial intelligence is an integral part of our daily lives. Our financial institutions, legal institutions, media companies, and insurance companies are all figuring out ways to use artificial intelligence to their advantage. From fraud detection to writing news stories with natural language processing and reviewing law briefs, artificial intelligence reach is extensive. Artificial intelligence influences business also, as business leaders or innovators race to reach the promise of artificial intelligence to deliver a competitive advantage as well as cost and time savings. The technology is altering industries from finance to manufacturing with new products, processes, and capabilities. Companies such as 150-year-old Heineken are using artificial intelligence, the vast amount of data they collect, and the Internet of Things to drive marketing decisions and initiatives, improve operations and customer service. From managing global supply chains to optimizing delivery routes, artificial intelligence is helping companies of all sizes and in all industries improve productivity and the bottom line at every stage of the business life cycle. From sourcing material to sales and accounting to customer service, it is all allowing companies to design, produce, and deliver products and service better than ever before. Life-saving artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not just improving lives. In some cases, it will save lives. There are many companies, including tech companies, they are investing in and researching ways that artificial intelligence can help improve our healthcare system. From figuring out personalized drug protocols to better diagnostic tools and even robots to assist in surgeries. Artificial intelligence is altering our healthcare system from its processes to the care that these organizations provide. In addition to our healthcare systems, artificial intelligence is likely to be very instrumental in solving the environmental concerns we are experiencing due to global warming. From supporting smart infrastructure to helping to be more efficient, with our natural resource and smart agriculture to feed a growing population. Artificial intelligence can augment our human efforts to solve our global challenges. It is also an integral part of our safety and security systems. Entertaining artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has been developed to enhance our lives as well. Experiments with artificial intelligence to compose original compositions from books to music, develop recipes based on what's currently in the cupboard, and even to create works of art are extending the influence of artificial intelligence on our own lives. The artificial intelligence powered recommendation engines of Netflix and Spotify help streamline our decision making process when we are looking for the next show to watch or song to listen to. It's clear that if we look artificial intelligence away, our world would look vastly different in every way, as the current investments and research result in expanded and perfected uses of artificial intelligence. We can expect the technology to become even more integrated into our daily existence, workplaces, and society. And this is about artificial intelligence I have shared with you. Thanking you and stay tuned to PVKKIT.